Now, let's move to problem number 6 and how we solve it. Be honest. How does your team track deadlines today? It's an Excel file, isn't it? Monday, someone creates it. Tuesday, someone updates it, but forgets to tell the others. Wednesday, someone opens last week's copy from their email. Thursday, someone says the deadliest sentence in government contracting. Wait, I thought it was due Friday. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it. Every contract you're tracking automatically shows up on one shared calendar, by its real deadline, no typing anything in yourself. Every single day gets colored based on how urgent it is, so you know how much time you actually have just by looking. No spreadsheets, no old copies, no "I thought it was Friday" ever again. Okay, I just showed you the spreadsheet problem. Now let's actually look at how Sambid fixes it, one piece at a time, using the real calendar. Step 1. Here's our Find Contracts page. Let's go to Submission Deadlines instead. This opens the deadline calendar right inside your dashboard, and this is what we're walking through together. Step 2. At the very top, you get 4 quick numbers. How many deadlines this month? How many are due within 3 days? How many are due within 7 days? And your total pipeline value across everything you're tracking. Step 3. Below that is the actual calendar, a full month, and every single day has small colored dots on it, plus a count, like 8 deadlines. Those dots aren't random. Each color means something specific. Step 4. Red means critical, 3 days or less. Orange means urgent, 7 days or less. Yellow means soon, 14 days or less. And green means you're on track, more than 14 days away. So just by glancing at the color, before reading a single word, you already know how much time you actually have. Step 5. Now click on any day. Let's click the 23rd. A panel slides in on the right, and it shows you every deadline landing on that exact day. Each one shows how many days are left, a match score, the title, the agency, and a direct link to view the full details. Step 6. Below that, there's an upcoming deadlines list too, so even without clicking into a specific day, you can scroll and see what's coming soonest first. Step 7. And if you want it on your own personal calendar, there's an export button. One click, and it downloads a file you can import straight into Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar. Step 8. And here's the best part. You don't build any of this yourself. The moment you save or track an opportunity, it plots itself onto this calendar automatically by its real deadline. No typing, no updating a file. And it's one shared live view, so every single person on your team sees the exact same calendar, updated the same second something changes. No spreadsheets, no old copies floating around in someone's email. No, "I thought it was Friday" ever again. And here's exactly where this lives. This is the deadline calendar page right inside your dashboard. Everything I just walked you through, the stats, the color-coded days, the side panel, the upcoming list, it's all right here on this one page. Now, before I go, my whole goal with this channel is to make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. Tell me how your team tracks deadlines right now. Spreadsheet, sticky notes, memory, whatever it is, I want to know. I read every single comment, and your answers decide what I cover next.